guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are not doing a cash stuffing Sunday, I'm afraid, because, well, one, I have spent like literally everything, and second of all, I've been living my best life this week. I've had 2 of my kids' birthday parties. What else do we have? My family was home from Ireland. We have been to the beach loads. We have been to leisure parks, swimming pools, like just living it really. And we have done no saving of money of any sort this week. But it will resume next week as normal on a Sunday. That I can be guaranteed of. Plus I'll have a little extra special guest next Sunday in with me for cash stuffing Sunday. But today's little video is going to be a little bit different because I found an Aldi on my way home. We were at a wedding yesterday, and on the way home past an Aldi, and I was like, oh, we'll just run in here and get some lunch. And these are the little things I picked up. Now I knew they did dupes, but these are really good. This is the Hotel Collection Beach Glow Reed Diffuser. I got it in the Beach Glow one, which is the yellow one. And they have it in 2 other colours as well, a pink and a blue. I can't remember what they actually said, but it was beach something, and they had like a beach collection. But the smell is absolutely beautiful. It's like tropical, but like ambery. Ooh, can't wait to put this out. Actually, I might do it now. So it comes in a little glass jar like this. Nothing written on it, which I really like because it means I can refill it with something else and it doesn't have a label. So that's good. But it just smells so tropical and like pineapple and coconuts. Let me see what it says. So drift away to relaxing summer sands. Tangy mandarin and exotic coconut lead to the aroma of tropical tiare flower with a base of rich amber and vanilla. Yeah, I can definitely smell the amber. I did say coconut, but yeah, see, it's so beautiful. Absolutely divine. Plus I also got a few makeup dupes because while I was there, you know. So I got this Super Boost. This is the vitamin C serum from Aldi. I had the hyaluronic one before and it was really, really good. So they have that one in as well. And I also got this Super Booster. Well, they're both Super Boosters. This is the Collagen and Gold Serum. Helps to promote firm and tighter looking skin. So I got that one. And I got the Vitamin C Serum. So I'm going to try them out and see how we get on. Plus I also got some makeup. I got the Lacura Flawless Veil Translucent Powder, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Laura Mercier one, which I think this was only like $4.99, if even. So, oh my god, even the packaging looks like Laura Mercier. Honestly, look at that. That's really good. And I have seen other people's reviews of this and apparently it's a dead dupe. Even the inside looks the same. So happy days with that. And I also got this Radiant Concealer. Now I missed this one out on the first time that they had it in. It's a dupe for the NARS concealer. I can't remember because I'm not really familiar. I know NARS products, but I don't. But it looks, the NARS one that looks like that. I can't remember what it's called. But apparently it's a dead ringer of a dupe for it. And I got it in shade 2. Now I have put it on this side here and it did feel really hydrating, really creamy. I have another one from Aldi, the Lacura range as well, but it was a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape one. Now I had the Tarte Shape Tape one and that used to dry down on me extremely fast. Like you'd need to work it really quickly, and obviously with a damp sponge just so you can get a little bit more blending time with it. But I've tried this on this morning. I've just like quickly blended it in like while I was in the car, and I don't know if you can see, but this one looks a lot more kind of normal, whereas this one still looks puffy and whereas this one looks a bit more radiant. That's the word I'm looking for, radiant. Well, I suppose it is Radiant Concealer. Yeah, so I expect that from it. Oh lads, I'm knackered, honest to God. So that's just today's little video, little quick one of what the dupes I got in Aldi this morning. Happy days with them, they're nice and affordable. And then I also got the kids some bubbles because they were there too. Alrighty folks, lovies and leavies, don't forget it's cash saving Sunday, next Sunday, and we'll be back to normal programming. Talk to you all soon. Have a great weekend, guys, and have a happy bank holiday.